Do you think Berkshire Hathaway has been secretly buying Tesla shares? Because of recent developments and statements from its executives, many are speculating that the American holding company is stacking up on Tesla stock during the dip. You definitely would not want to miss this one. According to influencer Christopher Dungeon, there is a 25% probability that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have been accumulating Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway. Even in 2020, speculations arose when Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway's 13F filing omitted confidential information showing a large discrepancy in assets from the 10Q quarterly filing. Many started wondering if Buffett had been secretly buying Tesla stock when Tesla investor Frank Pelan noticed a decline in institutional Tesla share ownership, which could possibly be explained by Berkshire's investment. However, this speculation turned out to be untrue. In November 2022, people are yet again beginning to wonder if Berkshire is now truly secretly buying shares, as there are a lot of indications that they are. I mean, Elon he's taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota, all these people who've got all the stuff, and he's got an idea, and he's winning. That's America. You can't dream it up. It's astounding, Buffett said in a CBS interview. Now, what is fueling people's speculations that Buffett is indeed buying Tesla shares in the background? Recent news shows that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is continuing to unwind its long position in BYD, China's largest homegrown EV maker and Tesla's major rival, after holding it for 14 years. This led people to assume that Warren Buffett is selling BYD to buy Tesla stock. Influencer Christopher Dungeon took to Twitter to share his thoughts about Buffett's secret purchase of Tesla shares. Dungeon said in a mid-November tweet, "My 25% subjective probability is not a formal mathematical calculation. Instead, it's my own personal belief and judgment that an accumulation of at least some small scale, less than $1 billion, is currently happening behind the scenes." Dungeon also laid out some of his rationale and theoretical reasoning about the matter. He pointed out that Charlie Munger recently had nice things to say about Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk after having just been negative on Tesla in February of this year. It can be noted that Elon Musk once said Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger told guests at a lunch all the ways his EV maker Tesla will fail. In a tweet in February, Musk shared, "I was at a lunch with Munger in 2009 where he told the whole table all the ways Tesla would fail. Made me quite sad, but I told him I agreed with all those reasons and that we would probably die, but it was worth trying anyway." However, in a recent interview, Munger says he doesn't recall that and went on to praise the company. Dungeon believes that the reason for the sudden change is that you don't talk badly about a company you own. Well, this kind of makes sense if you think about it. Dungeon also noted that during the interview, Becky Quick never followed up with Munger to ask if he or Berkshire was accumulating Tesla stock. That would normally be an immediate follow-up question, but likely never asked because the talking point was off the table prior to the interview taking place, Dungeon claims. Berkshire's upcoming 13F, filed mid-February 2023, is roughly 90 days away. That said, Dungeon believes that that's a long time to accumulate a large-sized portion of Tesla stock before anyone even catches on. He also noted that Buffett didn't think twice about Apple until he saw everyone had an iPhone and that a similar thing is happening in the US with Tesla. According to Dungeon, buying Tesla shares now is the ultimate contrarian move as nobody wants to touch it. PMs don't care about the underlying fundamentals, they care more about Twitter and Elon selling more shares. Elon's sales have absolutely zero to do with Tesla's value, zero. Buffett thinks long-term, says Dungeon. Buffett is arguably the world's most famous investor, and his investment moves are closely followed. The legendary investor's conglomerate sold another 3.2 million Hong Kong listed shares of BYD several weeks ago, cutting its stake to 15.99% as shown in a Hong Kong Stock Exchange filing. The sale was valued at about $80 million. This fueled more speculations that Buffett is selling BYD shares in favor of Tesla stock. He's done some remarkable things. Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors, Warren Buffett said of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Although Berkshire has never before invested in Tesla, Buffett praised Musk's accomplishments at Tesla in a 2022 interview. "He's winning," Buffett said. When asked about his thoughts on Tesla and its controversial CEO Elon Musk, Buffett vaguely answered, "He's done some remarkable things." Buffett also said this about the famous EV maker: "Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors." Buffett has previously hailed Musk as a wonderful individual, but has also stated that he has room for improvement and should be more judicious in his tweeting. It's no secret just how controversial Musk is, especially with how he exchanges tweets with his followers. Some may even argue that at least half the time Tesla trended is not actually because of the brand itself, but because of its leader. On the other hand, Musk responded to a Twitter thread claiming that he was worth more than Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. He joked, perhaps Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla. When asked whether or not Warren Buffett would invest in Tesla stock, the Oracle of Omaha kept his answer short. No, Buffett said. However, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sale of BYD shares, a close competitor of Tesla, made people wonder if Buffett is changing his mind about this matter. Berkshire has not disclosed the reason for the sales, which made people think that it is because he is jumping ship. It can even be noted that BYD has already surpassed Tesla to become China's best-selling EV brand. Last month, it sold 103,157 pure electric vehicles in China. In comparison, Tesla delivered 71,704 vehicles from its China factory, according to data from the China Passenger Car Association. Since the summer, Berkshire has been on a BYD stock-selling spree. Based on the latest exchange filing, the conglomerate has dumped more than 49 million BYD shares in the past 4 months. Recent statements from Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman did not help douse rising suppositions that the company is buying or at least preparing to buy Tesla shares. It can be noted that Buffett's right-hand man, Charlie Munger, recently stated that what Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle. In a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, Munger spoke highly of Elon Musk's electric vehicle company, Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. "I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did," Munger said in the interview. However, Munger noted that he does not equate Tesla with Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization, and that its CEO Elon Musk has done some good things that others couldn't do. "We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle," Munger said. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, however, has made it clear on multiple occasions that he is not Warren Buffett's biggest fan. Whether it's calling his job super boring or disagreeing with his investing suggestions. In the most recent earnings call, Elon Musk was asked if he would consider putting his diverse ventures under a parent organization like Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, and he simply answered that he is not Warren Buffett. "I actually work and design and develop products. We're not going to have a portfolio of investments or whatever," said Musk, who heads EV maker Tesla, the aerospace company SpaceX, infrastructure company The Boring Company, and now Twitter. Musk, currently the world's richest person with a net worth of $191.2 billion as of November 28, 2022, indicated he would want to keep his companies separate. "It's not clear to me what the overlap is," he was quoted as saying by Fortune. Elon Musk explained why he's not like Warren Buffett, as two of the world's richest men have divergent approaches to business. The Tesla boss has in the past dismissed Buffett's advice to investors to find companies with moats or buffers around them. In 2018, Musk said, "Moats are lame, and it's the speed of innovation that matters," CNBC reported. To this, Buffett responded with, "Elon may turn things upside down in some areas. I don't think he'd want to take us on in candy," he had said, referring to See's Candy, the company he bought in 1972. Despite this, it is evident that Buffett believes in Elon and, consequently, Tesla's potential to perform splendidly in the not-so-distant future. Subscribe to this channel to be updated on Tesla stock content.